Do you like it? You're half asleep, aren't you? Christmas is meant to be hot here, like hot, 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 hot. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amelia Gard and today we're going to be doing some Christmas decorating, which is so exciting because I've been wanting to do this for so long and it's finally happening. I've recently been sick, so I sound a bit nasally, so bear with me with that. But we're going to be doing the Christmas tree and a lot of other decorating around the house today. And my mum is here to help me, and this is her dog Molly. Say hi, Molly. The kids are sleeping, so that's nice. So we've got the tree set up in the corner over here in the lounge room, and I've just put the lights on and they look so pretty, so I'll show you that in a minute. My mum's dyeing some strands of ribbon that we've ripped up from an old sheet, and we're gonna dye it like a cute blue, so hopefully that turns out. It's currently dyeing at the moment, and then we're gonna add it to the tree as like bows and maybe into a few garlands and stuff too. But I'll show you some inspiration photos I have that I've just pinned. I want kind of like a lot of brasses and blues and really old worldly feel, maybe a few patterns thrown in with like checks and greens and stuff as well. We'll just go with the flow. I haven't really bought any new decorations this year, maybe like one or two from the op shop previously. But nothing crazy, so I'm just going to use what I have, and maybe I'll make a few DIYs to throw in a few more videos in the future, so we'll see how we go with that. But let's get to it, guys. So I have the Christmas tree set up in the lounge room in the corner here, with this really cute vintage looking mirror which will reflect the lights. So pretty at night time. It just, oh, it's gonna look so nice. And we've got my vintage antique buffet, that's my family heirloom, which looks so pretty with the tree. So let's start decorating the rest of it. Eisen, look at your cute hat. Wow. You wanna see? Oh, you wanna see? Let's have a look. Look at your cute vintage hat. Your little Santa hat. Do you like it? You're half asleep, aren't you? Do you like it? So it's getting later in the day, so I thought I would just give a bit of a update on where we're at and what we're planning on doing for the rest of the video and for the rest of the decorations. So far I have almost finished the Christmas tree. I just need to add the blue ribbons that we've dyed and put a tree topper on top, and also add like something on the bottom to cover the bottom. So far I'm loving the look, but it's gonna pop so much more when I put the blue on, which I can't wait for. Over here we plan to do some garlands across this ugly thing. I hate this thing. So we're gonna cover it up and make it look all pretty with maybe some ribbons as well. Over here I have this beautiful chest that's like an antique that was actually
holding my TV before I changed it off over with the other one. And I have an idea of what I want, but I was thinking of a tree, a little tiny tree in like a pot or a basket, a lamp. I would like to put a picture on the wall eventually, whether that be another day, probably. Oh, that's so cute, Mum. I love that. So sweet. Okay, she's got some good ones, huh? Very good ideas. So it is actually a few days later after my mum came over to help me decorate the Christmas tree and everything else in the house, because it took us a long time to get a lot of things done that day, because I'm pregnant for starters, so eventually I get really sore and tired, and I was sick as well, so I just felt like, whoa, the whole day. You could probably see that in the video too. And so we got heaps done, like majority of the decorations done, but I just wanted to add a few more things. Like I was gonna make some oranges because I think the tree might need some, like some dried oranges. And I also wanted to, you wanna say hello? Oh, hi. You're like looking at yourself, hey. Whoa, you're taking over. Can I talk now? Can I talk? Thank you. I got these wooden beads that I got from Kmart a while ago, and they're nice beads, but I think I want them a tone darker than what they are, so I thought of dyeing them with coffee. I'm going to try that and see if that works today as well, and then I'll be finished mostly decorating. And then I'll show you the grand reveal today too. Yay! Let's go make a cup of tea, because it's a really cold day in Australia for some reason, when it's meant to be like hot in December. Christmas is meant to be hot here, like hot. It's meant to be like sunny, and we're meant to be swimming. Oh, it's so bright, sorry. We're meant to be swimming and playing outside, but it's a rainy, cold day, and I have a jumper on, and my tripod's in the background, sorry. And it's just weird, so I'm gonna make a cup of tea, and then we're gonna make some oranges. So I have made the oranges. I'm just waiting for the coffee to cool down, because it was very boiling, and you've got to wait for it to cool down apparently for it to dye properly. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I tried a trial run with the coffee dyeing with the beads before, but it didn't really dye deep enough brown that I wanted. So I put in some more coffee. I don't know how much scoops I put in, how many scoops I put in, but I will put the amount on the screen so you know, and we'll see how that color works. Oh, Eisen, he doesn't like my hair up. He doesn't like it in a clip, do you? You're very fussy with my hair. Yeah. So he likes it down, and it's not the nicest today, so that's why it's up. Thank you. That's done, and I'm just going to use this beautiful blanket
I love this blanket. It's like a crocheted, oh, it's back to front. It's like a crocheted white cotton blanket. It's just so pretty. And I think I might use that as the skirt of the tree at this point. Yeah, we'll see how that goes, but it'll match the theme really nicely. I actually got it from a garage sale when I was like a teenager across the road from my mum's house, and I still have it. So on the internet it said you could wipe or brush the coffee on, but I thought, nah, I'm just going to dunk it all in here and mix it around and leave it for a little bit to soak in. But yeah, hopefully it'll work. I mean, it's dark now because it's still wet, but I've noticed when it dries it lightens. But this is my second try and I've added more coffee. So hopefully it'll darken it up a bit. I'll get the other one to show you the difference. So this is the color difference, which I'm loving. So we'll see how we go.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. And through the years, we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star among the highest bough. And have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun kind of tweaking things and making things, and I really am happy the way that the oranges turned out. It's probably the best way I've actually done them, with the rack instead of the parchment paper. So that was wonderful, because the airflow just gets through to both sides and it just worked so much faster and more efficiently. And then the beads, they turned out pretty well and I'm pretty happy with them. So all in all, I'm very excited for Christmas. I do have another DIY hopefully coming soon, and that'll be in my dining room, so we'll see how that goes. But until then, thank you so much for watching and have a great week, and I hope you're enjoying decorating your house for Christmas. Love you. Bye.